Only 2 ingredients truffles recipe, a sweet treat you can't resist. When it comes to desserts, simplicity often takes the crown. Imagine biting into a smooth, rich truffle that melts in your mouth, leaving behind a deep chocolatey flavor. Sounds indulgent, right? Now, what if I told you that you could create these luscious truffles with just 2 ingredients and a few easy steps? Yes, you heard that right. This recipe is so simple and exciting, you'll wonder why you haven't tried it before. Let's dive into this irresistible 10-minute read that promises to make your taste buds dance. Ingredients you'll need. Before we begin, let's talk about the star players of this recipe. You'll need only 2 ingredients: sweetened condensed milk, the creamy, sweet base that forms the heart of these truffles; cocoa powder, the bold, chocolatey flavor that transforms these into a decadent treat. That's it. No fancy ingredients, no hard-to-find items. Just 2 kitchen staples that combine to create magic. The perfect method for perfect truffles. Let's break down the steps to create these truffles. Follow closely, and you'll have a batch of rich, chocolatey goodness ready in no time. Step 1. Warm the condensed milk. Take 120 g of sweetened condensed milk and pour it into a microwave-safe bowl. Microwave it at 600-700 W for 30 seconds. This step slightly warms the condensed milk, making it easier to mix with the cocoa powder. Ensure you don't overheat it. You just want it warm, not boiling. Step 2. Add the cocoa powder. Now, add 60 g of cocoa powder to the warmed condensed milk. Use a spoon or spatula to mix it thoroughly. The goal is to combine these 2 ingredients until you get a smooth, lump-free mixture with a thick, fudgy consistency. Step 3. Shape and chill. This is where the magic begins. Scoop a portion of the mixture onto a piece of cling film. Form a disc shape and wrap it up tightly. Place it in the freezer for 30 to 35 minutes to let it firm up. Pro tip: if the mixture feels sticky after the initial freezing time, pop it back in the freezer for another 10 minutes. Patience is key to achieving the perfect texture. Step 4. Cut and roll. Once the mixture is firm, unwrap it and cut it into squares. Roll each square between your palms to form small balls. The rolling process adds a touch of perfection, turning these simple ingredients into elegant truffles. Step 5. Coat with cocoa powder. The final touch is the coating. Roll each truffle in a generous amount of cocoa powder until it's fully covered. This not only enhances the chocolate flavor, but also gives the truffles a professional, gourmet look. Step 6. Freeze and serve. Place the coated truffles back into the freezer for a little more than 5 minutes. This step ensures they are perfectly set and ready to be enjoyed. Storing your truffles. These truffles are best stored in the freezer. Due to their rich and creamy texture, they can melt if left at room temperature for too long. Simply take them out a few minutes before serving, and they'll be perfect every time. Why this recipe is a game changer. This truffle recipe isn't just about simplicity. It's about creating something extraordinary from the ordinary. Here's why you'll fall in love with it. Budget-friendly. With just 2 ingredients, you don't need to spend a fortune to enjoy a luxurious treat. Quick and easy. No complicated techniques, no special equipment, just mix, shape, and chill. Customizable. You can get creative with coatings like powdered sugar, crushed nuts, or even sprinkles for a fun twist. The ultimate taste test. Imagine biting into one of these truffles. The outer layer of cocoa powder gives a slight bitterness, perfectly balancing the sweetness of the condensed milk. As you continue, the rich, creamy center melts in your mouth, leaving behind a lingering chocolatey bliss. Fun tips for an extra touch. If you're feeling adventurous, here are some ideas to elevate your truffles. Flavor boost. Add a pinch of sea salt, vanilla extract, or even a dash of cinnamon to the mixture. Creative coatings. Try rolling them in crushed cookies, toasted coconut, or colorful sprinkles for a festive vibe. Gifting idea. These truffles make a thoughtful, homemade gift. Place them in a decorative box or bag, and you've got the perfect present. Conclusion: a treat you can't resist. In just a few simple steps, you can create a dessert that's both elegant and irresistible. These 2-ingredient truffles are proof that less is more when it comes to indulgence. Whether you're treating yourself or sharing with loved ones, this recipe is sure to impress. So, what are you waiting for? Gather your ingredients, roll up your sleeves, and get ready to make some magic in your kitchen. Once you try these truffles, you'll never look at dessert the same way again. Enjoy every bite, and don't forget to share the love and the recipe.